Careful. Well, the snow is back. I think that it should only really be allowed to snow in December because once January hits and Christmas is over, it's basically just a nuisance. But look how pretty. I love it. We're gonna take the kids out in the snow today. Wyatt's got a friend coming over, so I'm gonna film a little bit of that just because I think it's gonna be super cute. He's just going down for a nap now. It's 8:30. We were up so early today. I had both of us ready before 8 o'clock. Justin actually got off to work on time today. Yeah, I'm just sitting down here enjoying the snow because it's not actually cold out. It's just snowy.
Come on now, baby. Come on now, baby. Come on now, baby. Hey, 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 hey.
Hurry up, Pat. Hurry up, Pat. Got our Christmas cards ready. They turned out so cute. I couldn't resist and I had to get a couple printed off for myself. Guys, these turned out so cute. Shot by, edited by me. I am so impressed with myself, guys. Like, I'm not usually this creative, so. Update though. I lost the cord that gets the footage from my camera to my computer, so this should be fun. What did you say? What did you just say? Wyatt? Did you say mama? What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh no, mama.
Mom.
Oh, what was that? Did you say mama? Are you gonna wave? Hi. Got the winter pajamas finally out to play. Wyatt's rocking those. So cute.
Mama.
There it is. I heard it.
Dashing through the snow, one horse open
Okay, so I wanted to give a little update. So we didn't film much this weekend because his dad was home and we were just kind of enjoying some family time. We didn't do too much actually. So I figured why put you through that, right? So we're back today. Wyatt's got a bit of a cough. I took him to the walk-in. They said his lungs are clear, no sign of anything, just to monitor it and whatnot. He's telling you all about it. And he's so, like, his new thing is waving, so it's super cute. We have to go get wood today for our wood stove because we have 0 left. Thankfully, it's not that cold out today, so. Okay. Are you telling them or am I telling them? He's just so cute. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. He's just so cute. I also want to put up Christmas lights outside. So we'll see if all this gets accomplished today or not. Yes. Ah! Ah! You have more to say?
Go.
Hi. Okay, I'll check in with you guys later. I love having them on my fridge and seeing them every day. I need to have a bit of a real chat with you guys because like lately I have been struggling with just being grateful for what we have. Like we lost water the other day for less than 24 hours and like as rough as it was, there's people that like don't even have running water that even worry about that. And like we're out of wood and the house is getting cold, but it's still like 75, which is extremely warm for some houses because I know that like people struggle to pay for heat and can't put it up that high. We don't really have a choice with a wood stove. It's like hot or it's freezing. So like running out of wood, like I can go over to the store and buy some more if I need to, but I know some people don't even have that option, or like say they have hydro and like can't really afford to heat their home any other way. So I don't know. And like even the snow, like I know there's some states that when they get snow, like their whole town or city completely shuts down. And like I'm grateful that I have like snow tires and there's like vehicles that go down the road to clear it for me and put salt down so I don't slide, and I can take my family out to go get food. And I don't know, I think I'm just being like selfish and just like having like second world problems, I guess. But I don't know, I'm just gonna try to be more grateful. Like we have food, we have a home, we have heat, we have like our baby's healthy, he's thriving, you know, like we've got all this like care. Like even his food is free because of our government and our healthcare, which is like taken for granted around here, that's for sure. But like I appreciate it so much. So I don't know, this is my little like blurb, and hopefully like I can mentally remember it, and anytime I'm feeling down or stressed or anything, I can just be grateful that I have a family that loves me, you know, like just everything. I'm just so thankful, you know. Maybe it's just the Christmas season or something, but I just wanted to kind of like come in and say that because I don't know if maybe anyone else needed to hear that today, but I know I did. So we changed Wyatt into his next size, and every time we do this I get so excited because it's like a brand new wardrobe. Here's a handsome boy. So these new pants, they're so cute. They're just gray with a white stripe, and then he's got this like adorable hoodie on with like a little polar bear, and the hood has cute little ears. I'm not gonna put it on because he actually hates hoods, but yeah, I don't know, I get so obsessed with the changeover of the sizes because of the new clothes they get. Don't you wish like every few months we just got a whole brand new wardrobe? Wouldn't that be so awesome? Wouldn't that be awesome? I think that'd be so awesome. Yeah. There's a big guy. Do you see him? Yeah, right. He's so cute. Yes, you are. I just finished cleaning out the wood stove. I did like a whole morning clean routine, so if you haven't seen that, I'm gonna link that down below for you. Alright guys, we just got to the grocery store. I've got my wood. It's down there. I also just had one of these Reese's trees. If you guys haven't had one yet, you really need to try one. Okay, gonna go in and get some groceries and some snacks for Justin's work, and then come back out. It's pouring rain, so I'm not bringing my camera. And I have to like boogie Wyatt in. So this is gonna be great. Okay, bye. Guys, it says, goat, get your goat on. Not sure if you can hear that rain or not, but it is ridiculous. We have our groceries. I've got my wood. We're all packed up and we're heading home. Wyatt's sure ready to get home. He's gonna go down for a nap around 2. It's 1:45 and Wyatt needs a nap at 2. So I'm gonna go before all these people think I'm crazy in the parking lot. Groceries and wood all packed up.
I've been waiting for hours, so many hours, watching every car, hoping one is yours, waiting for hours, waiting for you to come home. I've been waiting for hours, so many hours, watching every star, wondering where you are, waiting for hours, waiting for you to come home. This time last year, we were dancing. This time last year, we were laughing. This time last year, we were so happy. But this Christmas, am I gonna be all alone? Oh,
I bought another tree, guys, but this one is the Reese's like with pieces. It looks like a tree, and then there's like little Reese's bits inside. You'll have to take my word for it. That's really good. So yeah, anything Reese's is always 10 out of 10 in my books. Reese's needs to come out with a dairy-free chocolate for my baby. Okay, great, thanks. We're gonna end this vlog here, and we'll see you guys in the next one. I want you guys to know that basically once I put a pot, okay, once I stop filming on this day, I pick up the camera and start filming tomorrow, and that goes into the next vlog, so you never miss a beat. It's almost this guy's nap time. There, he's like so shocked right now. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
jingle, 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 jingle.